Welcome to another 254 repair video. In this video, we're going to cover the LCD replacement on an HP RT5390. We're going to start by removing the plastic covers that cover the screws on the bottom of the hinges. And now we're going to remove the screws themselves. There's only two screws securing this vessel. The next step will be to remove the vessel itself, and we do that with an eye opening tool, also called eye sesame tool. And we're gonna fast forward this procedure because it's kind of long. Basically, we just pry the vessel from the frame. The next step is to remove the two Phillips screws that are on each side of the LCD of the computer.
Just move it to the side so you can actually get a good view and just go ahead and start. I'll hold it.
Carefully, we're going to remove the LCD connector from the LCD itself. And now we're going to place the new LCD on top of the keyboard and reconnect the LCD connector. secure the connection with Captain tape, and we put the LCD connector back in place, and we give it a little test. We turn the computer on, we see the logo is good enough. So now we're going to reverse the process and put the screws back in and put the vessel back on the frame. Now the final step, we turn the computer on and we got video, so we are good to go. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.